Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect and reconnect the car battery. Now before you disconnect and reconnect the battery, make sure the ignition is off and the key is out of the ignition. Make sure all doors are closed and the inside passenger and driver compartment dome light is off. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure which side is the positive and negative. If you look by the battery terminal, you're going to see the negative and the positive. Sometimes you can go by the cable. It might have a black cover, a red cover, or a black cable or a red cable. But sometimes somebody might connect the wrong cable color, or it might come with black cables like this one. If this one loses this cover, you're not going to know unless you look at the battery itself which side is the positive and negative. Once you are sure of which side is the positive and negative, start with the negative battery cable. Disconnect the negative battery cable, set it aside. Then disconnect the positive battery cable. And set it aside. And then follow the vehicle manufacturer how to remove the battery. Then when you reinstall the new battery, start with a positive battery cable first. And then the negative battery cable.